The crypto markets are under a lot of selling pressure and alts may be in trouble. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin finally broke the support of 22,300 yesterday, slipping down to the next big support of 21.5 before bouncing back. We could still see an even bigger dump below 21.5 if a few more events play out, which we'll be touching on later in this video. The Web3 behemoth Yuga Labs is getting dragged through the mud on crypto Twitter. Despite the excitement around Yuga's inaugural NFT collection on Bitcoin's blockchain and a very artistic approach to NFTs, the collection received immense backlash not just from the regular crypto enthusiasts, but also from the main developer of Ordinals, which are powering Bitcoin's NFTs. While some users are experiencing technical glitches on the minting page and don't see their transactions registered, that's still not what all the fuss is about. Casey Rodomar, the original programmer of the currently trending Ordinals NFT protocol for Bitcoin, went off on the Bored Ape creators after discovering that Yuga Labs takes custody of all Bitcoin involved in the bidding process, even if it's not the highest bid. In response to the situation, Casey lashed out at Yuga Labs, saying, "I will wash my hands of you forever and encourage others, including those close to me, to do the same." Crypto enthusiast Ordinally argues that credible players need to set a better example. On the other hand, the Stone Age method of bidding doesn't mean that users would lose their funds if the bidding is deemed unsuccessful. Yuga Labs promised to return the money manually after the auction was done. Still, the possible damage to the crypto community goes beyond that, as fraudsters using the same auctioning technique could carry out an unprecedented rug pull and phishing attack. We have a great video on Bitcoin Ordinals, which I'll put in the description below. In other Yuga Labs news, Yuga Labs on Wednesday announced new details for the second test of its gamified Otherside metaverse platform. The second trip will take place on March 25th and will include a 2-hour narrative experience led by 4 Otherside team captains. The second trip is open to holders of the Otherdeed NFTs, which are linked to land in the Otherside metaverse. Each holder, referred to as a Voyager, will have the opportunity to invite a guest to join them in the experience. Yuga Labs hosted its first trip in July 2022 for over 4,600 players, which resulted in major congestion on the Ethereum network. Voyagers on the second trip who attended the first trip will be eligible to earn a unique obelisk piece linked to the overall Otherside narrative. For more info on Yuga Labs, check out our article on them in the recommended reading down below. Top esports team TSM said Tuesday that Avalanche will be its exclusive blockchain partner as TSM builds out its competitive gaming platform, Blitz. As part of the deal, TSM will be launching a custom subnet that uses the native AVAX token as gas to bring Blitz on-chain. TSM plans to host Avalanche-branded tournaments on the Blitz subnet to help gamers improve their skills with performance insights and learning tools, also allowing players to compete in these Blitz arenas for prizes. The platform will also use Avalanche Asset Manager Core to facilitate buying and storing of digital assets. John Wu, president at Avalanche, said Avalanche's fully customizable subnets were created to help organizations like TSM push the boundaries of what's possible for gaming with sub-second transaction speed, scalability, and security for millions of users. The partnership between TSM and Avalanche aims to onboard millions of esports gamers into Web3 and comes after TSM ended its partnership with bankrupt crypto exchange FTX in November. As part of its deal with FTX, the Esports League embedded FTX branding across its organization, team, and player social media profiles. The partnership with FTX was once the largest in esports history and was valued at $210 million. Nascar and Wax blockchain have joined forces to create a unique and unforgettable experience for fans attending selected races. Wax blockchain is a trailblazer in the world of NFTs, providing a platform that enables the creation and trading of unique digital assets. With its user-friendly interface and emphasis on security and speed, Wax has become the go-to platform for creators and collectors. As virtual worlds and gaming experiences become increasingly popular, the demand for unique and verifiable digital assets will only grow. And with Wax at the forefront of this movement, fans of all types of entertainment will be able to own a piece of their favorite experience. By creating limited edition NFT drops for prestigious races on the NASCAR 75th anniversary season calendar, fans will now be able to take home a piece of the action in a unique and verifiable way. In addition to this NASCAR partnership, you can also buy, sell, and trade Wax on Binance US. You can also get whitelisted for the Cristiano Ronaldo first official NFT collection, receive his free souvenir NFT, and earn $500. We partnered with Binance US to bring you guys this offer. Just click the link in the description below and type Altcoin Buzz as the promo code. A single crypto whale likely drove up the price of an Ethereum-based altcoin on Monday, according to the blockchain tracking platform Look On Chain. Mask Network, a project that aims to bring Web3 features to social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook, shot up from trading around $3.26 at the beginning of the day to a high of $4.21, a more than 29% price increase. Looks On Chain reports that the whale withdrew 3.6 million masks worth roughly $14.8 million from the crypto exchanges Binance, OKX, KuCoin, and Huobi on Monday. They said it's likely that this address is driving up the price of Mask. We analyzed the historical transfer in and transfer out of the address and found that in many cases, transfer in will lead to an increase in the price of Mask, and a transfer out will cause the price of Mask to drop. Look On Chain also notes that the whale address withdrew 0.5 ETH as a gas fee from the South Korean crypto exchange Upbit. Upbit announced this week that it would do a rollout trading support for Mask, and Looks On Chain speculates that the whale might transfer its Mask to sell on Upbit. Mask is up nearly 79% since the start of 2023, though it remains more than 90% down from all-time high of $41.45. As Bitcoin approaches $21,000, those who are long Bitcoin are seeing positions evaporate. Despite consensus forming around Bitcoin retesting 20,000, small shifts in price are taking a toll on traders. According to data from CoinGlass, March 8th saw $24.4 million of Bitcoin longs liquidated. Including altcoins, March 8th liquidated $95 million of longs and another $15.4 million of shorts. The market-wide decline came as crypto-friendly Silvergate Bank said it will voluntarily liquidate its assets and wind down operations of its holding company. On the same day, Jpmorgan announced it was cutting its banking ties with crypto exchange Gemini, which Gemini later disputed, and $1 billion in Bitcoin sent from the US government to Coinbase seized from the Silk Road also put pressure on the markets in one big FUD storm of selling coming. We still have yet to see a massive dump that would be a sell-off of that magnitude, but right now, as I'm filming this, Bitcoin is currently dumping down to 21,000, so it could be happening today. Mt. Gox creditors have another month to file their claims as the registration deadline was pushed back by another month. The official document cited various circumstances for the shift in deadlines, such as the progress by rehabilitation creditors in respect of the selection and registration. Creditors have the option of a lump sum payment, bank remittance, fund transfer service provider, or going through a cryptocurrency exchange or custodian. Creditors have been waiting years to get compensated for losses incurred because of the exchange hack in 2014. Mt. Gox was a Tokyo-based cryptocurrency exchange that once accounted for more than 70% of all Bitcoin transactions. The extension in deadline means creditors will have another month to decide whether to take the lower amount now or wait another 9 years to get the full amount. The Mt. Gox creditor payout has been a focus for quite some time now, especially considering the value of Bitcoin has increased multifold since the exchange went bust. There's been speculation about the impact of Mt. Gox creditors on the market if they decide to sell their holdings. Back in August of 2022, Kobe tweeted saying they're going to release the Mt. Gox Bitcoin the same week they unlock the post-merge staked ETH. They just want to maximize chaos. 6 to 12 months away probably, gonna be funny, don't trust anyone. Then the Shanghai upgrade got pushed to April and the Mt. Gox unlock was then pushed to April as well. But what do you guys think? Is there a lot of manipulation happening to maximize the chaos? Bitfinex announced today that it will be one of the first exchanges to list GPT, the native token of CryptoGPT, an Ethereum-based Layer 2 blockchain dedicated to artificial intelligence development and the decentralized and AI data marketplace. Launched in the wake of the popularity of ChatGPT, CryptoGPT builds itself as a crypto ecosystem driven towards collecting data for the purpose of AI development. Recognizing the growing value of data that is crucial to further develop AI, CryptoGPT aims to offer customers an opportunity to earn crypto for sharing their anonymized data using encrypted zero-knowledge proof technology. It is intended that dApps will be built onto the CryptoGPT ecosystem, with CryptoGPT offering its GPT token as payment for the data it receives from users when they use these dApps. GPT is a multi-use token that can be used as gas for transactions that take place on the CryptoGPT blockchain as well. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.